As we get closer to the ocean, we can see how beautiful it is. All those rivers and all the high mountains look like the city. You know, it's fine. You can also see where the hay is creating a moon. Where all of those rivers are emptying over the ocean, being a moon. And the corn, you can see the nature. So let's start with the we invite you to sit back and enjoy the magnificence of the
Sure is neat, eh? Sure is neat.
Every way you see this, you're doing a great job.